So we continue with the laws of exponents. I've attached all the previous videos on the description below.
We have a times b to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n times b to the power of n. This will be the same even if we had x times y to the power of maybe 2, right? So we'll still have x to the power of 2 times y to the power of 2. So we distribute the exponent, right? Let's see some examples. So here we have 2 times 3 to the power of n, and then we distribute the 2, so we have 2 times 3 all to the power of n, and then we distribute the n to both bases, and we get 2 to the power of n times 3 to the power of n. Same thing right here, we have 2 times 3 to the power of 4. We're going to distribute the 4 to all these bases. So we're going to have 2 to the power of 4 times 3 to the power of 4. And we're going to get 2 to the power of 4 is 16 times 3 to the power of 4 is 81. And if we multiply those two together, we get 1296. So let's try it this side. Now we have 5 times 7 all to the power of 2. Okay, so 5 times 7 to the power of 2, we're going to, so let's write that out. 5 times 7 all to the power of 2. We distribute the 2. Please feel free to try the examples before you see how it's solved. So we distribute the 2, we're going to have 2 to the power of 2 times 7 to the power of 2. And then we get 4 times 49, and that gives us, previously we were dealing with multiplication where our bases were multiplied together, and now we're going to have our bases dividing. So previously we had a times b all to the power of n. In this case now we have a over b all to the power of n. The rule is still similar. We distribute the exponent, and then we're going to get a to the power, so we say a all to the power of n times b all to the power of n. So now we just distribute the exponent, we get a to the power of n times b divided by b to the power of n. Let's look at some examples. We have 2 over 3 to the power of n. Again, we are going to distribute the n. So we're going to distribute the n here, and we distribute the n right there, and we get 2 to the power of n over 3 to the power of n. Please feel free to try this one right here and this one on your own before I show you how it's supposed to be solved. So we distribute the 2 to the base 2. We distribute the 2 again here. So we get 2 to the power of 2 over 3 to the power of 2, which is going to be 4 over 9, and we can simplify more further. Y, so 4 to the power of x over 7 to the power of y, all to the power of x. So how do we solve this one? Same thing, we distribute. We have 4 to the power of x over 7 to the power of y. We have this x, so we're going to distribute this x to here, and the x is also going to go here. So we're going to have 4 to the power of x. When we take the x here, we have 4 to the power of x times x, all over 7 to the power of y times x. And this is equal to 4 to the power of x times x is x squared, and over 7 to the power of y times x is just xy. Look at the final one, which is